In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Skype to your desktop in just about 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process that will bring the world closer to you with just a click. Skype, as many of you know, is a fantastic tool for keeping in touch with friends, family, or colleagues worldwide through video calls, and having it right on your desktop can certainly make your communication a lot easier. Let's start by visiting the Skype homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in, or click on the link to go directly to u.skype.com/en/. This page is your gateway to beginning the process of bringing Skype to your desktop, and it's where our journey begins today. Next, you'll want to download Skype onto your computer. Look for the Download Skype button. It's usually prominently displayed on the page, making it easy for you to find. Once you click this, the website will automatically start the download process for you. It's pretty seamless, but depending on your internet speed, it might take a couple of minutes to complete the download. Remember, this is the step that brings you close to making those global connections right from your desktop. After the download finishes, it's time to click on your download to initiate the installation process. Depending on the browser you're using, you might find the downloaded file at the bottom of your browser window or in your downloads folder. Clicking the file will begin the installation process of Skype onto your computer. An installation window will pop up, guiding you through the necessary steps to get Skype ready for use. Follow the on-screen installation instructions to get Skype set up on your desktop. These instructions are pretty straightforward, and going through them shouldn't take much of your time. It's just a matter of a few clicks, and voila, you're almost done. And here's a little tip: once the installation is complete, Skype will automatically create a desktop icon on your computer. This acts as a quick shortcut which you can use anytime to launch Skype right from your desktop without having to sift through your programs or apps. It's all about convenience, and having that icon right there makes it easier for you to connect with just a double click. And that's it. You've successfully added Skype to your desktop, and you're all set to stay connected with your loved ones, friends and colleagues all over the globe. With Skype now just a click away, worldwide communication has never been easier. Wasn't that simple? I hope this guide helps you in setting up Skype seamlessly. Remember, in our digitally connected world, staying in touch is more important than ever, and tools like Skype make it as easy as pie. Happy Skyping, and here's to making unforgettable connections.